Today we're looking at the MobiFree Folding Scooter, a lightweight, compact mobility scooter designed to make travel and everyday transportation simple. If you're looking for something easy to fold, easy to store, and easy to take with you, the MobiFree is a great option. The MobiFree is built for active users who want dependable mobility without dealing with a large, bulky scooter. It has a clean, compact design, a comfortable seat, flip-up removable armrests, and a sturdy frame that's easy to use for shopping trips, errands, vacations, cruises, RV travel, and daily outings. One of the best features of the MobiFree is its simple manual folding system. There's no disassembly required. You don't have to remove multiple pieces or take the scooter apart. Just fold it down, load it into the trunk of most vehicles, and you're ready to go. The scooter weighs only 46 pounds without the battery, making it much easier to lift and transport compared to many traditional mobility scooters. This makes the MobiFree a great choice for anyone who needs something lightweight, portable, and travel-friendly. It has a top speed of up to 4 miles per hour, a travel range of up to 9 miles, and a 300-pound weight capacity. So if you want a scooter that's lightweight, folds quickly, fits into most trunks, and is easy to use every day, the MobiFree Folding Scooter is definitely one to consider. For more information on the MobiFree Folding Scooter, call AutoMobility Store at 800-431-3183 or visit us online at AutoMobilityStore.com. Our mobility specialists are here to help you find the right scooter for your needs, your lifestyle, and your budget.